Well, guys, spring is here. I want to say happy spring to you all in the year 2019. And also, I want to say thank you to everyone who's watching today. And also, thank you to Yehudah, aka you guys know him as Organic Breast Urban Gardener or Soul and Conscious Seed. We were able to go to his garden tour today and get the wisdom, the knowledge and understanding, and we are going to apply it into our garden. And we were bombarded with a lot of wisdom, if I can say that. Um, and as promised, it wouldn't be him if he wouldn't give you something, to take home with you. So as you can see, his stuff is in the back, earthworm castings and whatnot, and some veggies. So we're gonna plant some a tomato that was given uh, from him to me. And so let's get started. Be right back. Guys, after some much needed cleanup, as I showed you the last video of me being at going, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Just want to finish showing you